Introduce highlight features or overview summary for YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush, Shower Cleaning Brush with 8 replaceable brush heads, Power Scrubber 3 adjustable speeds. Adjustable and detachable long handle, voice broadcast. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Electric Spin Scrubber 2023 upgraded, battery capacity, IPX7 waterproof, RPM, accessories have all been upgraded. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to more leisure time with this highly efficient electric scrubber that gets the job done in half the time of traditional cleaning methods. Cleaning brush and multi-function. Long handle adopts 3-section design, retractable tube adjust from 35.8 to 43.3 inches, 3-speed adjustable, 440/380/280 RPM. Cordless design and high-rate battery, 3000 mAh. This electric scrubber can work continuously for up to 90 minutes after 4 hours of fast charging, Type C. Voice broadcast and LED digital display of battery usage. Power level and speed can be checked at any time. More accessories and multi-purpose. Equipped with free hook and brush head storage bag, save storage space. 8 replaceable multifunctional brush heads. This electric scrubber can be used to clean a wide range of surfaces in your home. For example, cleaning shower rooms, cleaning narrow and hard-to-reach areas, glass, tile wall, car surface, kitchens, wheel hub, car seat, furniture, and windows. Convenient design, easy to assemble. Our electric cleaning brush helps you do housework with the most relaxed posture. Different from traditional hand wash. Without bending over and making your cleaning work less tiring. In order not to let you and your family tired. Feel more convenience from technology together. Make cleaning more fun. Now start to enjoy the housework with your family. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe, and press the bell, look for all, press it to get instant notifications of all future uploads.